Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan. Welcome back my YouTube channel Glunda Shop and Tech. Today I explain how to disable YouTube apps on your phone, and second how to disable Google Play Store on your Android phone. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon before starting the video. First, find now Google Play Store my Android phone. Open Play Store. Then click Profile option. Then click Help and Feedback. Click Delete, Disable and Manage Used App on Android. Then click Tab to go to Application Setting. And scroll down, find YouTube. Click now YouTube. Click Disable option and finally click Disable app. My Android phone YouTube apps completely disable. Next, scroll up, find Google Play Store. Click Google Play Store. Click Disable option and click Disable apps. Completely disable Google Play Store apps my Android phone. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you everyone.